In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of the CloneVoiceAI application, which is an all-in-one audio creation tool, which does a whole bunch of things. Let's start off with AI voice cloning first. You can create multilingual voice clones and also make one clone in English and speak in multiple languages, which is called AI voice dubbing. So I'll show you both use cases. Let me give you an example of how the end result looks like, and then I'll show you how to do it in the application.
Vous voyez, je parle en français en ce moment et ça sonne toujours comme moi. أهلا، اسمي ليلى وأنا متحمسة جدا لمشاركتكم هذه القصة اليوم. Ahora escucha, esta soy yo hablando en español con mi misma voz natural. आप किसी भी भाषा में अपनी आवाज बना सकते हैं.
Check how easy it is. You just go into CloneVoice, click and clone your voice, just upload a file. Let me upload. And then as you can see, you have my voice uploaded, and I just give it a name, whatever I want it to be. And then you just give it a language. So in this particular case, my voice is in English, so I'll do that. If it's in Spanish, you want to put Spanish as a language. The cloning is a lot more accurate. I'm going to give my gender here, and then I'm going to clone my voice. Boom. So the voice has been cloned immediately. Now, all I need to do is just go to create audio, select my voice here, as you can see here, and give it a name, ketogenic diet benefits to weight loss. Then I just put my language here. And if I want to make myself speak in English, I'm just going to put in the script here. And if I don't know what to write, I just go into generate script and it'll generate me the script. I can even give it a URL. I can give it what I want to talk about. I can even have it search the web if it's more recent, something to do with news and that sort of thing. Like generate script, takes a couple of seconds. And boom, there we go. We have the script generated. And then now you can go to create audio and then you can change things around. You can add emotions here. You can add expressions and all this other good stuff at any point in time. So let's say, for example, I want to make this into a happy sounding voice and then this one into, let's say, a sad sounding voice. I can do so. I want to add expressions where, let's say I want to add in laughter at the end, like chuckle. You can add that chuckle and it's going to start having that chuckle expression. Now this is in English. What if we want to do it in another language? So let's talk about the dubbing feature here. So all you have to do, okay, again, your original voice is in English, your original language is in English. So now you go and click on translate to, okay, and then you just click on Spanish, let's say, and then you translate this, all right? And then it'll translate the text into Spanish. Now, this is if you don't know how to speak Spanish, correct? Or whatever language it might be. And then you just go in, select the voice again, boom, boom, boom. There we go. Select the voice. And then there we go. Now I can make myself speak Spanish and dub my voice. It'll sound like me and it will be ready to go. And the beauty here is that I never have to understand or speak that language. Now, if my original language is in Spanish, let's say, for example, I want to natively clone my voice in Spanish, then the same thing applies here. All you have to do is clone your voice in that original language. And then you go back and then you basically click on it, you upload your file here, which is in Spanish, and then you would pick the language as being Spanish. So it'll be more accurate, and that way you don't have to do any translation. So you have both options. You can dub your voice in any language, even if you don't know how to speak it, or you can even upload your voice in one of the 40 plus languages that we support, and more will be supported, where you can clone it in that native language so that it sounds like you with your tonality, pitch, and your lightness. Next, we have the AI voice maker, where you can actually create a unique voice with a simple prompt. Here's how it works.
Now create any voice, any tone. Just describe and hear it in seconds.
Add emotions too. Calm, excited, sad, or anything you need.
Bring stories to life with voices that actually feel human.
It's so easy to do. You go to the voice maker in the application, go and create a professional voice maker or the creative voice maker. Professional will allow you to generate human sounding professional voices using text prompts, similar to narration, conversational style, promotional, like a news reporter, that kind of thing. Creative will allow you to create even an alien sounding voice, fairy, pirate, wizard, goblin, anything you can imagine. So professional, you just click here, you just give it a name. So let's say I want to do a news reporter, right? And then you can just say a professional news reporter with British accent or something like that. and then you just click on generate professional and it's done. It's going to generate it in a few seconds. And then you can go back if you want to generate the creative voice maker. Let's do that. Here, you just have to type in one thing. Let's say you want to do an angry ogre. So I just type in angry ogre and describe the voice as well. And then I just click on this and let's preview the voice. It's going to take about a couple of minutes or so, sometimes less, to generate that voice. It's going to give you 5 options. You play it, whichever one you like. Let's say, for example, I like this one.
Hey, this is what I sound like.
Perfect. So I'll just pick and then I just choose and click create voice. Boom, done. So every time now I can just start using this in any audio that I decide to use. You can do the same thing for any variation. Example, I have an old pirate I want to create. Again, give you that. It's going to give me 5 variations. I like this one.
This is what I sound like. You can use me for narration.
I select it and boom, create. Done. Now, all I need to do is every time I'm trying to create an audio, I can go to select voice. I can go into the clone voices and as well as these are called design voices. So then I can just go in and then I can just use the old pirate. And then there we go. You can start generating the audio from there. You can add emotions too, like happy, sad, angry, as well as expressions such as laughter, whispers, chuckle. Let me show you how. All you have to do is you pick your voice and then you just have a script and then you just click on this. You're going to go to preview segments area. And then here is where you can add, first of all, emotional style. So this is going to make them happy, sad, disgusted, surprised. And that's the thing. You can give it default, any voice. And then the second you can do as well is let's say there's a joke, there's something funny, right? See, this is aha, success. So you can put laughter here. So that's the expression. So you can say laugh, for example, and more any other emotions like the bagging area, it's empty. And then you can put a sigh, you get the point, right? So you can add these at any point in these blocks. And then when you're done, you can just create your audio and these emotions will play. Let me show you how they sound like.
Oh.
Pretty cool. Next, you can create multi-speaker podcasts like this.
Have you ever wondered what sugar really does to our body?
Honestly, I used to think it just gives energy or maybe causes cavities, but I've recently heard it can mess up a lot more.
Yes, so today we're going to discuss something we all consume daily.
Here's how easy it is to do. You can do that on any topic. You just pick speaker and then the other speaker, in this case, my clone voice. And then I also have a voice that I've designed with a prompt and then give it a speaker name, Paul and James here. And we're going to talk about how the AI revolution will change the world forever. And boom, create the podcast. And then it's going to create a multi-speaker podcast that you can edit, customize however you want. And then you hit the generate podcast and you're good to go. You can even create full-length audiobooks. So let's say you can just click on any script you want to paste any audiobook information and just select the voice and just click create the audiobooks because you can create very long-length audiobooks using this simple feature. So easy, straightforward. You can even create vocal songs, background music scores, as well as children's rhymes like this.
Sugar hands sprinkle bright, baking cakes from morn to night. Flower flies, the whisk spin. Market day is joy within. Baker girl, sweetest cakes in all the world.
All you need to do is click on the kids rhymes area, AI generated, and then you can say a rhyme about a baker girl selling her cakes in the market, right? And then you just click on the lyrics. It generates as the lyric automatically. Boom, like so, intro, verse, and everything. And then when you're happy, you can say baker girl song, and then you just click on good to go. It starts generating the music. Next, what if you want to create a pop song like this?
The sun goes down, the waves roll in.
Same thing, you create genre pop, and then you just create a pop song about sunset played with a guitar, create lyric, and good to go. There's so many other features like our public library where the community will be creating voices for you that you can pick, such as Vampire, Aristocrat, or Oracle, Fairy, or even our Script Genie feature where you can actually create scripts from any YouTube video that you've seen or any other idea that you have, or our designing of sound or instrumentals like drums or trailer music. And this is just the start. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of CloneVoiceAI. Thank you for watching.